What are we doing? Part 3?
Part 3.
What are we doing? Part 3 of what?
Of building the bicycle back.
What kind of bicycle?
The
Haro Freestyle bicycle. Given to us by who?
Mr. Jim that passed away.
Mr. Jim
cancer.
That passed away from cancer. So this is episode number 3 of our bicycle build.
We will be putting the tires together
on
these old tires.
Look at these magrams.
Oh yeah.
These spokes. These are the heavy duty spokes. You don't see these kind of spokes anymore.
Nope.
So
Old.
these are the old school ones. So this is what we're going to do today on this episode of Canvas Cam. Part 3 of the Haro bike but rebuilt restoration.
Woo.
Without any further ado, let's get started.
Yeah. Let's get started.
So for today, what we're going to need,
You need a screwdriver, flathead,
you need
or
2.
if you're doing 2,
You need. Let me do this. Okay, you need 2 flathead screwdrivers, bicycle tubes, and a bicycle pump or air inflation device. We're gonna go with the old slime tires because we live in North Texas, and guess what? We live in North Texas. They have cactus and spiny things, and yeah, I don't feel like taking them apart and fixing the tires, so we're gonna use the slimy stuff. So ideally, what you want to do is you want to be able to pull the tire off the rim, just like that.
Wow.
Comes off in one spot. Bloop. Chunk it. Don't need it anymore. Also, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're looking at the inner liner. Make sure there's nothing poking through on the inner liner right here. You want to make sure there's nothing poking through on that, and that it is tight, or that it's intact. Man, that's some thick rims. Okay. Then you want to find your valve stem. Look at that, monkey. You did it. Go ahead and chunk it over that way. All right, close enough. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to look at our tires. Here, take your tire.
Is that bad?
What's that? No. It's fine. That's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's supposed to do that.
Oh, I thought it had to be smooth.
No. All it's doing is it's just protecting the tube, inner tube.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Okay. So what you want to do is you want to take your tire, Jack. Let's look at your tire.
Is there does it matter if it's the front side or back side, or
Well, that's
does
what,
it just not
buddy.
matter?
That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at.
Yeah.
We're looking to see if there's a directional mark on here, and if there's no directional mark on there, it doesn't really matter. Some tires that you buy at some of the shops, they'll have a certain tread pattern on them, and you want to look on the sidewalls. Because if you look on the sidewalls, they'll actually have an arrow which tells you the direction that they're going. So you want to make sure you put those on in the right direction.
I don't see it now.
Nope, no arrows.
Right?
Okay, so then you take your bicycle tire on your rim, pull it on, like so.
A lot easier than doing the last tires we did on another bike.
Yep.
Which we didn't do on YouTube channel.
No, we didn't do them on YouTube channel, did we?
It's alright. I don't think we had that YouTube
Box.
channel.
Chunk it. Now, when you're working with these tubes, you don't want to use any sharp objects to open the bags. You just want to just grab it with your fingers and just pull it open, like so.
These are big tires, so this.
You did it wrong.
I did it wrong.
You done it wrong. You done it wrong.
Now you know how to do it wrong, and you don't.
So
and
watch. You
don't
take
do
it like this on the side, and it just goes in, like so. Because this is what's called the bead. This is the bead lip. So, now, bicycle pump.
Bicycle pump is right here.
Alright. So these are the slime tires, and you notice they've got a really cool, what's really cool about the slime tires is that it comes with a valve core cap. Alright, give me 6 pumps.
1, 2, 3.
That's good, right there. 3 pumps.
3.
I know, that's what I said. That's
Wow,
good.
I thought it'd take a little bit longer to do.
No.
Wow.
Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to find your valve core hole, your valve stem hole, that's right there. Take your tire tube, put it in the hole, put your stem in the hole, Yeah, the trolls will have fun with that one.
Yeah.
Put your cap back on it so your stem don't fall out the hole.
Yes, don't want it to fall out the hole.
You feed the tire, you feed your inner tube into your tire all the way around. Okay. Now, you're probably wondering, why do I put air in the tire before I put it in? Well, what it does is it keeps me from pinching the tube as I pull the tire onto the rim. So I'm gonna start I always start at the bottom, work my way around up to the top, and then whoa.
This is when you need the screwdrivers, right?
Nope, you don't need anything. If you do it right, you don't need anything. All right, what I do need though is I do need the nozzle. This nozzle. Oh, straight. Okay. Now, when you go to put the hose, the inflating assembly on there, you want to make sure you have your thumb pressed down over the top of the valve core. You open it up, lock it in place. Now go ahead and pump it up, buddy. Is it hard to pump? Well, it's because you're supposed to be standing to do this.
Yes, you should stand when you're doing this. It's a lot easier. It's not made to be sitting down.
Okay, slow down.
That's enough?
Well, not yet. Not yet. Well, we're just checking the beats. You want to make sure you got the beats.
Want to do it more?
What's pressure say? 15, 10. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. You're not even a third of the way there. That's good right there.
That takes a little while to pump it.
There you go. We now have one tire done. There you go, YouTube. That's how you do a tire.
Yeah,
Kind of cool, isn't it, huh? Look at that
And
gnarly tray.
if you don't know, that is actually a street and off-road tire.
Yes, it is. It's a street and off-road tire. All right, what are we doing next?
All right, so when I get that,
Okay.
take that. When I need to pump
Where's
that
the
up.
pump? Where's the pump? You gonna do the pump?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the pump. Actually, can you do the pump?
Hey,
this
wait a
time?
minute. Where's that go?
That. Uh-oh.
We gotta take the neck back apart. Fix that.
Yeah. We'll do that probably in the next episode, or we'll just do it behind the scenes.
Yeah, we'll do it behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, sorry.
We'll get it ready to go behind the scenes.
So we can get straight on putting the tires on.
Yeah.
That's when, you know what, that's the exciting part.
Well, not yet. We still gotta get a.
Wait, what?
We gotta get a chain. We gotta get a chain.
The chain. Yes,
Right.
we do. I'll hold the tube this time.
You'll hold the tube this time?
Yes.
All right, hold that.
Hey, where's the other one for the other side?
It's already on there.
It is?
Yeah.
I don't even see it.
It's right there.
Wait, that's my tire.
Yeah. Silly boy. There we go. All right. So there we go. Set that to the side. All right, Monkey. Oh, what are you doing dropping that? Get off my foot, boy. All right, get up tire.
Alright, so we got the tire.
All right, what are we doing next?
We're gonna have to put this in.
Okay, did you watch how I did it? No, you didn't watch me do it. All right, flip it over. Put that in your lap. Put that in your lap. Nope. There you go. Now where's the stem hole?
The hole is right here.
Okay. And then this, open that up. Put that in the stem. Put that in the hole. All right.
Look. So, stem.
He's having a little trouble finding the hole.
can't see. You're the one that has the glass. Oh, you don't have the glasses on. You have the ones that magnify? Oh, wow. Can I use these to try to put these on?
No.
Oh. It's actually way better to wear these.
There you go.
But I don't need glasses because I can see perfectly without them.
They're just magnifiers. Give me my glasses back.
There you go.
All right, so now it's in there. And now what do you do?
And we now start putting it in.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what?
Now I want to pump that up.
No.
No? No? Do it again.
Here.
Okay.
Come here. Okay. Start down here at the bottom.
Start down here and put that in.
You want basic watch. Take your thumbs, pull it off to the side, all the way down, all the way up. Just put it down to the side. Make sure I'll hold it here. Keep going. Keep going. You had it right. You had it right. Now. There you go. Just like that.
There we go.
Then.
Then we gotta go get that pump. Where you have the pump? Oh yeah, it's over on the outside of you. You don't want to know where your tools are when you're doing this.
So you take it like
Unlike
this.
me, I don't know where the tools are.
And then you just keep misplacing them. You're 9 years old, so.
Oh yes, I'm not that old. Not old enough.
Not old enough to know. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this.
I'll hold it.
There, like that.
You want me to hold it tighter this time?
Yeah, you hold. Well, we're gonna do it both together because. Stop. Get it all the way out there. You want to make sure that you get the valve stem, the servicer, all the way on the valve stem. Because if you don't, it's not gonna pump up very well. All right, so. See how it's kind of going on, kind of a little wonky, a little bit. Want to make sure that you just want to make sure it's going on. Okay.
About there.
Just want to check it. See, you want to make sure you got an even beat all the way around. See, it won't follow this line. It's good.
All right.
Good. All right. Hold on to it. We got ways to go. So, all right, let's do this the right way. And
It's more efficient doing it that way. It's faster with him doing it than me because I'm not that fast at doing it.
yeah, well,
Not yet, but I will be.
I've got 39 more years experience than you do.
True, you do. And you didn't have help when you were building your bike, so
Nope.
you have the advantage.
Yeah. But there we go. Put the cap back on it, boy.
Alright, so we got these tires successfully put together.
Yep. So thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And again, leave a like. Dislike. If you're gonna dislike, at least leave a comment. Say what you didn't like about it, so we can maybe improve our next set of videos. Thank you for watching Canvas Can and Monkeyboy, and we're real excited about making progress on this Haro Freestyle bike that was given to us by Mr. Jim Lapp. Again, thank you for everything. Click the
the bell to
click the little bell, and also watch throughout the video, or there'll be a little there'll be a little tag here that goes through the other. It'll give a list of the videos that lead up to the completion of the Haro Freestyle bike. Thank you for all watching. Y'all be blessed. Have a good day.
bye.
Bye.